Hello friend. So here is my app and you can see over here the Bigbattery icon of the app is present over here, and in the background you can see the artificial intelligence implemented through the Python is working over here. So now I will open the app. As I tap on the Bigbattery logo, the app gets open, and since the app is connected with internet, so it would be connecting all the resources that required to run the app successfully. And now it comes with the photo gallery over here. There are three photo images are there. As you scroll over here, these buttons are by default disabled, so once you come to the last image, then the button will get enabled. As you scroll back again, they will be disabled once again. So on the last image, these button will get enabled. So there are three buttons over here. I have made the first button active. So let me come to the first button. As you can see over here, there are like images of the different product of Bigbattery. This is in the form of horizontal scroll bar. Over here there is a vertical scroll bar. Right now all total 6 products are present, but when the app comes in reality, more product will be added over here. So now you can tap on any one of the product and that will take you to the chatbot where you can put forward your question. So like, how may I help you? This is something that is coming by default, and here you will put forward the question. I have already copied the question, and let me put the question over here. What are the steps for display showing wrong voltage value for touchscreen? As I press the button, let's see what happens. This query is supposed to go to my AI, and the AI is supposed to receive the data. Yeah, okay, that's great. See, AI has able to connect that question, and it has come up with 6 steps, 6 solutions it has put forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So total 6 steps we will be seeing right over here. As you can see, it says that no worries, Bigbattery is here to help you out with this problem. So based on this particular question, the solution for step 1 has been given. So this step 1 is actually coming from this particular like the item that is here, and this is presenting the CSV file as given by Bigbattery. So from there, the AI has able to figure out the question and has come up with the 6 steps that has been proposed by Bigbattery. So right now we are in step 1. And it has provided us with 2 buttons, yes or no. Like if you say yes, that means you have able to resolve your problem. The process will then stop, and if you say no, that means you move to the step 2. So step 2, say it is searching for the step 2, it is preparing the step 2, and here it is. This is the step 2 which has been provided by the AI. Okay. So here is the step 2. As you can see, step 2 has been put forward over here, and it is asking did it solve. Maybe it is true or maybe it is no. So no means that means the problem is still persisting. So let me click on the no button, so that will bring to the step number 3. So over here we come to the step number 3. Okay, so in between we can stop the process at any point of time if the problem gets resolved by pressing the yes button. Otherwise you continue with moving forward. So right now we are in step 4. As you can see over here, step 4, and this is the step 4 that we will be able to see. Okay, I'm not expanding the code, otherwise everything will get revealed. So now we are 2 more to go. Well, the user is not aware that total how many steps are there. Okay, you don't know, user don't know. So user, like this is step 5. So like maybe this problem is not yet resolved. So the user says no, it's not. So user comes to the final step, but again the user is not aware about that this is the final step. See, it's saying that reprogram the BMS. So it's saying that did you solve the problem? Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe the problem is still persisting. The user is thinking that maybe some other solution will provide it. The user pressed the no button, but as per as what the CSV file and proposed by the Bigbattery, they say that according to this particular problem there would be 6 step solution. If it is not working, in case if the user thinks that there is more steps to proceed, the user is clicking on the no button, and since there is no more step, what will happen is that the Bigbattery will give you a message, the app will give you a message that you should better consult the call center because there is no more step to proceed. And see over here the button has been dissolved because there is no further step that can be put forward by the machine learning according to this particular given problem. So you might come across with some other problem, again the chat process will start. So the way this thing has been formulated is that as long as the steps that has been proposed by Bigbattery that will be put forward over here, if those steps get consumed and no more step regarding that particular problem is there, in that case the button would get dissolved so that no further continuation in regard to this particular question can carry forward. Okay, but the user is free to put forward and again a new fresh question, and that process will continue. So that's how the process is working. And I hope, like to some extent, what are the proposals that Bigbattery has provided, we have been able to resolve them. So looking forward for your suggestion right now. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.